Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix green flickering screen issue on iPhone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So step number one is to force restart your iPhone. Sometimes a quick restart can fix display issues caused by temporary software bugs. For iPhone 8 and newer, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the slide power button until you see the Apple logo. Step number two is update iOS to the latest version. Apple frequently releases software updates that fix bugs and glitches. So to do that, go to Settings, tap General, and then go to Software Update. If an update is available, then install it. Step number three is disable auto brightness. Disabling auto brightness may resolve flickering caused by changes in lighting conditions. So to do that, go to Settings, tap on Accessibility, then go to Display and Text Size, then toggle off auto brightness. Step number four is reset all settings. You can try resetting all settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system like Wi-Fi passwords, wallpapers, and accessibility settings. So to do this, go to Settings, tap General, go to Reset, then tap on Reset All Settings. Step number five is turn off True Tone and Night Shift. Some display settings can cause issues if not calibrated correctly. So to do this, go to Settings, tap on Display and Brightness, and toggle off True Tone and Night Shift, and see if this resolves the issue. Step number six and the last one is to contact Apple support. If none of the previous steps worked, then it could be a hardware issue, such as faulty display or a problem within the internal components. In this case, it's best to visit an Apple store or Apple authorized service provider for a diagnosis. Use the Apple Support app or go to support.apple.com to schedule a repair. And that's how you can fix the green flickering screen problem on your iPhone. If this video helped you, then please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!